Now I'm gonna be working on a mini ITX build. This is a Jones bowl case uh, made from aluminum, and some parts are steel. And what I like about this small case is how the glass cover is, both are curved, left and right. Yeah, so I really like how this looks. And also I test fitted the 240 millimeter below and 240 millimeter above here. So yeah, it's been a long time since I've done a mini ITX build, so yeah, I'm quite excited to work on this one. I hope I could fit everything that I needed to. So yeah. Here is the build now. So I've already installed all the major components. The MSI motherboard, and I also painted the aluminum heat spreaders. I removed the dragon logo here, and then some orange lines here, and then repainted it with thin layer of matte white. Okay, so some of the elements or the old designs is still can be seen, and also the water block for the GPU, and I am also making a aluminum that I'll put here so that the LED strips will be mounted properly. Okay, there, and also I'll be making one on the top. Okay, and then I've fitted also the reservoir and the power supply. So it's gonna be tight there. I'll still be doing cable management, and there's lots more other cables that I'll be installing from the lighting and some other things. So yeah, and back cover is also fitted. I'll put this cover when I'm finished putting or estimating where I would put the pass-through fittings. So as you can see, this was a metal part of the case, so I cut it so that I will put an acrylic panel here, and then that's where I'll drill my hose for the pass-through fitting. Okay. Okay, so apparently I forgot to push the record button on the camera when I was installing the tube, but it's okay. I think sometimes that happens. So what I'll do now is I'm just gonna explain how the flow of the coolant will be, or So, and some other things that were installed, like for example this aluminum cover for the LED top and bottom. Okay, and then also the acrylic is painted where the pass-through fittings are mounted. Okay, so it starts from the D5 pump res combo on the back. So from the outlet of the pump going here to the inlet of the GPU, and then out going to the inlet on the CPU block, and then out from the CPU block going to the pass-through fitting, which is connected on the back with the pass-through here with the 240mm radiator on top. Okay, so when it goes to the 240mm radiator on top, goes to the flow indicator, and then a tube going down connecting the two radiators, going down to the 240mm radiator at the bottom, and then out again on this pass-through fitting, going back to the reservoir inlet. So yeah, that's it. And I'll be putting a blue-green or greenish coolant, dye coolant after this, and then okay, let's go to the best part.